these spices real quick. Let me show you these spices. Good morning. My name is Alex the Vegan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some soup, some all vegan soup. Got a lot of spices in it. Let me show you these spices real quick. Let me show you these spices. Wow! So we're going to be getting into it right now. Let me just show you how I do this. Bow, 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 bow. So I'm gonna wait on the beans just because these were canned beans. Rinse them twice with some clean water. Just gonna wait since they're already mushy and cooked. So we're gonna add those in last along with the kale, the beautiful kale. So we'll add this in later. I'll chop it up as well to get it smaller. All right, yo, moment of truth. Let's try this soup out. See what it's about. Oh yeah. Alright, let's do a little sample here. Love how tender kale is. Super healthy way to get in a lot of veggies. And look at that broth. Color of it. A lot of good spices too. Look, it's like I used veggie broth or something, but I didn't. It's a nice color. This thing's fire. There's the celery. Nice bite with the bean. Let's go. Fire. So how can we make this a little bit healthier? Dos organic dessert. Get a little taste of the sea. Not harming any fish. Yeah. Just tastes like nutrition. What's going on, guys? So GoPro 7 Hero Black just came in. I need a mount for the Joby, so I'm gonna run to Best Buy real quick. Kind of lame that it doesn't come with one. No SD card either, so I guess I gotta look for that too. Just let this bad boy warm up, you know what I mean? These turbocharged cars. Oil warmed up a little bit. 2017 Mark 7 Volkswagen GTI. Here to grab a mount so I can put it on the Joby, so I can take this heavy Lumix off. Not that it's heavy, but it'll be a lot easier to hold a GoPro up opposed to this really, really large camera. So yeah, you know what it is. About time to get into Best Buy. You dig? There was the purchase, $19.99. I got it because it has all this stuff in it. So I can mount it two different ways. And I also have this if I want to use it. So now I got a mount for my Joby. And then I got its own tripod here. And I can also hold it as a little selfie stick. Straight chilling. Chilling. 2 bananas. Some dates. Watching Simnet Nutrition, Derek, super smart dude, and it's a little late night snack here. What do we got here? So here's the little late night snack I'm having. Some organic vanilla ice cream. Gang, what you guys think? Take a look at those. Some coconut milk, coconut water, guar gum, agave syrup, coconut cream, organic vanilla extract, organic vanilla beans. Wow, that's some pretty clean vegan ice cream right there, eh? So I got some oatmeal here. Guess I forgot to talk when I was filming this, but got 1.5 cups of oatmeal, coconut shreds, frozen blueberries, some almond slivers, and also sprinkled some sesame seeds on there. What's going on, team? It's your boy Alex the Vegan again. I hope you're having a great day. Hope you enjoyed the meals that I've showed you so far. I'm about to take you on another ride right now to making breakfast burritos, but it's nighttime, you dig? So I got some potatoes right now that I just cubed up, and I'm soaking them in some water to get rid of a little bit of those starches. Let's get moving. Pow-pow! So I got the potatoes soaking in some water. I got these instant refried beans right here. Also put this non-dairy Beyond Better cashew sauce on there. Spicy queso. It's basically just like cashews, nutritional yeast, and a whole bunch of other spices. For the meat-like flavor, I think I'm gonna add these. It's kind of like shredded meat, I would say. Kind of what it looks like. That's the texture that it has is just like that. So I think that'll be a good fit. We got that. We got that. And the potatoes, and then maybe we'll do some guac or something like that on top. Wrap it up in a tortilla, and then it's good to go. There's the yuba noodles. About to saute these up a little bit just so they're warm. Gotta get the potatoes in the air fryer. About to get on that right now. Got the yuba noodles cooked up. Got the refried beans ready. Oh yeah. Perfect. Let that sit, thicken up a little bit. Oh yeah. It's about to go down. Fire. Oh yeah. All the flavors are there. Cheesy, beany, potato-y, creamy from the avocado. I kind of need to put the camera down so I can actually enjoy this and chew it and appreciate it for what it is, because this thing is fire, guys. You can actually get a real feel of how I'm feeling when I'm eating this right now. Deuces. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed showing you how to make the soup and also the last minute breakfast burrito. Ended up being the star of the night. Just threw some GoPro footage in right here over this outro, but still trying to figure out how to make the settings to get a better picture. But if you guys like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment if you have any questions, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until next time, cheers, team.
The deuce.